Here's the booth. Gotta set the table. Alright, this is the table so far without much on it. And I'll show you in a minute what it looks like all decked out. This plutonium case is a great prop, but it also makes a good storage, so that's why I keep most of my stuff in. Here's something you don't see every day, a rare look from behind the booth at a comic convention.
Greetings everyone. If you like this video, if you want to see more process stuff, more behind the scenes videos, hit me up on Snapchat. You can find me at Serkworks, or if you click on that yellow QR code, it should take you right to it. I'll see you on Snapchat. That is all.